Vincent Odor some unspecified amount of money. The two clerics in police custody are part of a group of 3 church ministers who are said to have beaten up 62-year-old mechanic as he demanded some pay for rendered services. Bandani residents are demanding justice for the deceased, as Kevin Ogutu reports. All right, we will be speaking to Kevin Ogutu via phone. Kevin, tell us more about this event. Quite unfortunate, a mechanic has been killed. What do we know so far?
Well, very good afternoon, Ashley, and it's quite a sorrowful day at the Bandani area where the residents here are complaining, are up in arms against a church by the name Voice of Porters Messengers International Ministries, that they say 3 of the clerics in that church allegedly beat up Vincent Odor Obisa, who is a 62-year-old mechanic, and because of the injuries he sustained, he passed on yesterday while they were trying to give him treatment at one of the hospital facilities in Kisumu. So what happened is that for quite some time, for over 6 months now, Vincent Odor has been rendering services to the Voice of Porters Messengers International Ministries in Kisumu, him being a mechanic, and that means that he's been servicing the vehicles belonging to the church. And so he's owed quite a tidy sum of money. We were not able to establish how much the church owes Vincent Odor the late, but we are made to understand that it's spanning 6 months, and he's been going there to ask for the money from the management of that particular church. So yesterday when he went there, it turned out that apparently he was being accused instead of stealing some of the items, some of the spare parts belonging to the church vehicles. And because of that, from the reports that we got from the residents and the eyewitnesses, some 3 clerics or ministers at that particular church descended on him and beat him, seriously injuring him, and later on he passed. So today there was quite a bit of a tension at the Bandani area near that particular church, as the residents were already milling around there, ready to torch the establishment, and it took the intervention of the police to actually quell that particular atmosphere. So as it stands right now, we are made to understand that 2 of the suspects are in police custody. We will be getting more details regarding whether they'll be arraigned to court today or tomorrow. And this is with regard to the death and the alleged beating that happened yesterday within the precincts of the Voice of Porters Messengers International Ministries in Bandani, in Kisumu. Ashley.
Kevin, this is quite unfortunate if it turns out to be true. I mean, this is a church. Have you tried talking to anyone from the church to get their view on this?
Well, KTN News was doing interviewing the irate mob right within the precincts of the church, the owner of this establishment, who is called Prophet Lucas Samom Tishbi, also came by and appealed to the youth there and the villagers that they need to be calm, given that he was away on a ministry service in Uganda. He even went ahead and showed them his passport to indicate that he wasn't aware. But according to the prophet, he is insisting that justice will have to take its course. The prophet Lucas insisted that he will not side with anyone who decided to beat somebody and killing them in the process, when it is clear what in the law what needs to be done whenever somebody is aggrieved. So in as much as the irate mob were not comfortable having him speak, because they were accusing him of having been the one who called, who informed, or rather directed the alleged ministers to beat up the late mechanic. He was very categorical that he was not aware that such a thing was going on, given that he was away. And this is something that, given that if he were to be around them, he was not going to entertain it. So from the church side, actually, it is suffice to say that the leadership is displeased with the turn of events. But this matter now rests with the police and the court later on as it progresses, Ashley.
All right, thank you very much, Kevin Ogutu. Kevin Ogutu there reporting from Kisumu, giving us an update. Police in Kisumu are holding 2 church leaders following the brutal death of a mechanic who served the church. Now, the 2 clerics in police custody are part of a group of 3 church ministers who are said to have beaten up 62-year-old mechanic as he demanded some pay for rendered services. We have this